Hi everyone. My name is John Kenneth Toyola Padero from Bachelor of Physical Education 2C. In this video, we are about to know how traditional content-based education system shift to outcome-based education system. And to start with, let me ask you a question. Why is socio-emotional learning important? And to answer that question, social-emotional learning is important because it helps students develop essential skills like self-awareness, self-regulation, empathy, and relationship building, which contribute to their overall well-being and academic success. First, let's define what is traditional content-based education system and outcome-based education system. A traditional content-based education system focuses primarily on the delivery of specific knowledge and content to students, emphasizing factual recall and standardized curricula. Outcome-based education system centers on clearly defined learning outcomes that students are expected to achieve, prioritizing the demonstration of skills and competences. So, what are the benefits of outcome-based education system to students, teachers, and the education system? As a student, outcome-based education really helps me a lot because it has a skill and competency demonstration. Wherein for me, as a student, I get easily understand a particular lesson or a particular skill while the teacher is demonstrating it. For the teachers, outcome-based education system really helps them a lot. So halimbawa na lamang, ang isang guro ay nagtuturo. So, mas napapadali ito kapag ito ay demonstration, di ba? Kumbaga, kapag ito ay idinidiscuss. So, sa discussion kasi, ito ay time-consuming. Wherein, in demonstrating it, it is easy for the student to understand. Because demonstration is also a effective way of nurturing learners' learning. And the benefits of outcome-based education system to education system is it enhances engagement, wherein it encourages interactive and experiential learning, making education more engaging. And also, it establishes clear expectations for both the students and educators, fostering accountability in teaching and learning. In traditional content-based education system, it focuses on knowledge delivery, while in outcome-based education system, it focuses on skill and competency demonstration. So in teaching approach, traditional content-based education system is a teacher-centered, while on the outcome-based education system, it is a student-centered. So in curriculum, traditional content-based education system, it is standardized, rigid, and in outcome-based education system, it is a flexible and adaptable. So assessment methods. So traditional content-based education system is a primarily test and exams, while on the other hand, outcome-based education system is a diverse assessment based on outcomes. And the last one is learning philosophy. So in traditional content-based education system, it is a role memorization. And in outcome-based education system, it is a critical thinking and application. An outcome-based education system emphasizes mastery of skills and knowledge through varied assessments and continuous feedback, while traditional education focuses more on grades and standardized testing, often leading to less personalized learning experience. Outcome-based education system aims for a more holistic understanding of students, adapting to individual learning needs and competences. For students, embrace self-directed learning. Take initiative in your learning by seeking out additional resources, setting personal goals, and reflecting on your progress. Second is, engage in feedback. Actively seek feedback from teachers and peers on your understanding of the material and how you can improve. And the third one is, collaborative with peers. Participate in group projects and discussions to enhance your understanding of the learning outcomes and develop teamwork skills. And for the parents, stay informed. Educate yourself about outcome-based education principles and how they differ from traditional education. Understand the specific outcomes your child is expected to achieve. And the second one is, encourage open communication. Maintain regular communication with teachers about your child's progress and how you can support learning at home. And as for the teachers, professional development. Participate in training and workshops focused on outcome-based education practice to enhance your understanding and implementation of outcome-based strategies. The second one is collaborate with colleagues. Work with fellow educators to develop and share effective objectives, strategies, and assessments, and also methods and the lesson plans. And in conclusion, transitioning from a traditional content-based education system to an outcome-based education system is a multifaceted process that requires commitment, collaboration, and ongoing evaluation. By focusing on measurable student outcomes, educational institutions can create more engaging, relevant, and effective learning environment that prepares students for success in their future career and lives. Thank you.